If you're looking to purchase a domain and hosting for Practice Better, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get your site up and running for Practice Better in no time. But stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive offer and some alternatives that might be even better for your needs. First things first, choosing a domain name. You'll want something that's easy to remember and reflects your practice. Something simple, professional, and relevant to your brand. When you purchase a domain, make sure it's available and aligns with your business identity. You can use websites like GoDaddy or Namecheap to search for and register your domain. Next thing, you need hosting. When it comes to Practice Better, your website's performance will be important for delivering your services smoothly. You can go for shared hosting, which is budget friendly, or VPS hosting if you need more resources. Some hosting providers, like Bluehost and SiteGround, offer easy domain and hosting packages, making the process simple. But keep in mind that the cheapest option might not always offer the best support or speed. So make sure to read up on the reviews and check out their uptime guarantees. The third thing you should consider is how Practice Better integrates with your domain and hosting. It's a good idea to ensure the hosting service supports the specific needs of Practice Better, like secure SSL certificates and fast load times. You don't want your visitors to experience lag, especially if you're offering online consultations or other services through Practice Better. Not all hosting services have seamless integrations, so doing some research on compatibility is key. Next up, configuring your domain and hosting. Once you've secured your domain and hosting, you'll need to link them together. This typically involves updating your domain's DNS settings to point to your hosting provider. It sounds technical, but most hosting companies will provide you with the exact settings you need to input, making the process straightforward. Now, let's talk about some of the tools you can use. Practice Better itself doesn't offer domain registration or hosting, so you're going to rely on third-party services for this. There are some reliable ones, but I want to emphasize the importance of customer support and ease of use. You want a hosting provider that's going to be responsive and helpful, especially if you're new to the process. The fourth thing you need to be aware of is security. Your domain and hosting need to be secure to protect your client data, especially if you're running an online practice. Look for SSL certificates, strong firewalls, and regular backups. Some hosting companies will throw these in for free, but others charge extra for added security. It's worth investing in a plan that offers solid protection if you plan on handling sensitive client information. Now, as promised, I want to introduce a competitor. While Practice Better is a great platform, it might not be the best option for everyone, especially if you're looking for more customization. Platforms like Squarespace or Wix offer domain registration, hosting, and website building tools all in one place. They're more user-friendly and offer tons of templates to get started quickly, which can be perfect if you're just starting out or want something that's easy to manage. So here's the deal. I've got an exclusive, extended free trial for Practice Better through the link below. But if you're looking for an alternative that may suit your needs better, especially if customization is a priority, I've got you covered with some amazing alternatives. These also offer free trials, so you can try them risk-free before making a decision. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. That's it for today. Now you're all set to purchase a domain and hosting for Practice Better or check out some great alternatives. Happy website building!